Hi everyone, my name is Ngwatele. I'm going to present to you the ideology of MM. In the past, we used to live on crop and livestock farming, which served as a mode of survival for nations. Money was a source of identity and people didn't depend on it. But today, lifestyle requires people to depend more on money and less on what used to be the source of living. Money has caused disparity among the people. As the rich get more rich, while the poor more poor. What is money? Money is nothing but a slavery tool that the master, the banks, used to imprison us. We think money is a measure of labor. No, it is not. Because if it was, miners and factory workers would be rich. It seems that instead of money working for us, we have become slaves working for it. What is this thing, money? Money ensures that rich become richer and poor go deeper in poverty. Money is classified us as high, middle, and lower class, even working class. Are we really living in a fair world? No. Because mine workers work very hard to produce gold, but cannot afford to buy them. This is a system that has brainwashed us to sell our strength, brains, and abilities with the hope for a salary. Waking up at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, all marching to take money back to the master. That's paying back loans. How will MM change things? MM intends to create a fair system where members enrich one another. Members provide help to one another through donations. Money goes straight to members requiring help. This means there is no central bank account. The 30% monthly growth is available whenever a member needs it. What is MM? MM is a peer-to-peer mutual financial system. MM community comprises people who help each other through donations. MM is aimed at destroying the unjust world financial system. MM is not a bank. MM has no central bank account. MM system aims to free people from slavery of working for the banks. MM, what and who? Who brought us this? MM is Mavrodi Mondial Money Box. That's triple M. It was founded by Sergei Mafrodi in Russia. Sergei Mafrodi was forced to establish the system because of the unjust financial system, which he realized was controlled by the rich, which are the banks, and exploited the poor and the voiceless. Sergei knew it would not be easy to change the system, but the willpower inside him forced him to continue. MM was created to change the unfair system of the slavery and exploit it. How does it work? You register, you provide help, you get help. When you register, you need to have your name and your surname, your email address, your banking details. How to access the MM website? You go to rsa/mmm.co. How do you provide help? Orders will be created by the system to make you deposit for a person who made a request to get help. The minimum of help you can provide is 100 Rand. How do you get help? One gets help from members when the Mavro is green. You provide help today and tomorrow you'll get help. What are the benefits and opportunities? With MM, you build your own structure through recruiting and supporting your team. Members have the opportunity to become managers and guiders. There's registration and referral bonus. Together, we can change the world. It starts with you. Thank you. Once again, Ngwateleng from South Africa.